In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively reconcile your accounts using accounting software. Reconciliation is an essential part of accounting that ensures your financial records align accurately with your bank statements. So, let's dive in and go through this process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your accounting software and direct your attention to the accounting menu. Once there, select the option labeled Reconcile. This feature allows you to streamline your reconciliation process by automatically matching your bank transactions with those recorded in your books. Finding this option might vary slightly depending on the software you're using, but it's typically housed under the broader accounting section. After selecting Reconcile, you'll be prompted to choose the account you wish to reconcile. It's crucial to ensure that you're working with the correct account to avoid any potential confusion. Whether it's your business checking account, savings, or any other account, make sure it's the one you have your bank statement for. Double check to avoid any mix-ups down the line. Following the account selection, you'll need to enter two pieces of information: the statement ending balance and the statement ending date. These details are directly taken from your bank statement. The ending balance is the amount reflected at the conclusion of your statement period. Meanwhile, the ending date marks the final transaction date on the statement. Entering accurate numbers here is vital, as discrepancies could lead to errors in your reconciliation. Now that we've set the groundwork, it's time to delve into matching your transactions. This is where the reconciliation truly takes shape. The software will usually provide a list of your recorded transactions alongside those from your bank. Your task is to go through this list and ensure that every charge, payment, or credit aligns between the two. The goal is for the transactions in your accounting records to match those on your bank statement. While matching transactions, it's important to pay close attention to any differences. Even small discrepancies can snowball into larger issues. If you notice any mismatches, they might be due to timing differences, errors in recording, or missed entries. It's a good practice to investigate any inconsistencies before moving forward. Once you've carefully gone through the list and are satisfied that everything aligns, you can proceed to finish the reconciliation. Completing this step confirms that your records are accurate and up to date, providing a clear financial picture. A successfully reconciled account can help you manage your finances more effectively and make informed business decisions. And that's it. You've successfully reconciled your account. Taking the time to perform these steps ensures the integrity of your financial data, helping you maintain accurate and reliable records. With practice, this process will become faster and more intuitive. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more valuable tips for managing your accounts.